How do I get my husband to pay more attention to me? My name is Paul Friedman. I am the founder of the Marriage Foundation, and I think that I can help you with this without reducing you as a person, as someone who has to show off or break things that he has and do other bizarre things. You know, you got married in order to be happy. And the whole idea of marriage is to have ever-expanding happiness based on ever-expanding love. But because we live in such a material world, the spiritual part of us, because we're both, we're spirit and nature. We live a spiritual and a material life. You know, we're souls. We have a body, we have a mind, but we're souls. We're essentially souls. And that love, that spiritual side, that's what it's all about. And when you first got together with your husband, you were the light of his life. You were like a safety island in a sea of danger. And what made you so was that you were letting him know that you were going to love him unconditionally. Your wedding vows said so. That's the message. And that's the message he gave you too. But it breaks down because of our material side. We get so involved in the day-to-day stuff that we forget to use our will, use our volition to promote the happiness of love. And so if you really want to be happy in marriage, and who doesn't? That's why we got married. Then you want to get those embers glowing again. It's not about him paying attention to you. That's not what you're lacking. You're lacking that sense of love, that sense of fulfillment that comes from the natural love of marriage, honestly. So here's what you do. You don't focus on getting his attention. That's the wrong way. It won't work anyway. Think about it. If it were reversed and he just wanted to get your attention and started doing things to get your attention, you would pretty soon get annoyed. But what if he started doing things that made you feel all warm inside, that touched your heart? Well, it's no different. You want to start doing things that touches his heart, that expresses to him your undying commitment, love, and loyalty to him. It will attract him. So, in fact, avoid doing things because it'll come across as insincere. It'll be an annoyance. Instead, go inward and ask yourself, am I expressing love to him? Am I complimenting him? Or am I criticizing him? Am I complaining to him? You have binary choices all the time. You could be mean and unnecessary in his life, or you could become glowing love. And that is the best way to attract him. He will come to you like a thirsty man goes to water, because he married you for love. He wants to feel that love from you more than you can imagine. But you've turned it off. So that's how you do it. I know this is short and sweet, but you know, I have a lot of videos. You ought to sign up for this channel, subscribe, and please, if you have further questions, you know, the Marriage Foundation is nonprofit, and we will respond. I have counselors who will respond to your questions. It's free of charge. Just write into them, because certainly, if this is the question you are searching for, you have some deeper questions too, and we want to help you. And no one is paid a commission for steering you towards the courses that we have or the books. We sincerely want to help you. So God bless you. God bless your spouse. God bless your family. Thank you. God bless.